Hello, this is Life with Boss Lady D. I'm gonna be so bad at recording, but anyway, we're gonna try again. Take 2, a different day. I started recording yesterday. I didn't finish because I wasn't in the mood, but I'm gonna try again today. Try to get it done before I rain, so let y'all guys see me hooking up to the trailer and stuff. So yeah, first I'm gonna go get me some food from Burger King. I don't know, but y'all gonna see. I'm gonna try today to get it done. Signing into the system. Sending in macros. Let me see this one. I'm gonna do a quick walk around the truck for y'all. I know this part work or not when it show my full name, and if it don't show my full name, I mean I have to sign in again. So let's see. We had some good freight this weekend. I need to do me one. I really do. Okay, so I was originally off duty, but now I'm gonna go ahead and go on duty pre-trip inspection, which is that for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and request my load that I'm supposed to have. I'm gonna just say, yo, you available for a load? You're gonna put yes. Current fuel level. You gonna go. This is not an educational vlog because as y'all seen, I did not do my pre-trip. I didn't do a pre-trip because I'm in this truck every single day. I don't switch trucks. This is the only truck that I'm in. The only thing I do get out and do is do my walk around, and I occasionally do a pre-trip where I check the oil level occasionally. As y'all also see, the truck is also dirty. I work nights, so that means the daytime driver, somebody need to wash the truck because the show ain't gonna be me. I do split seat. Is it her split seat? I just share a truck. How about that? So yeah, so now we just sit here. We wait for them to send a load to us. It is 5:25. Is it 5:25? Okay, so I got sent my trip information. So now I'm gonna go find the trailer. My trailer is 376927. I'm gonna go slow because I'm still on my 376927. White trailer to the end. I don't know if y'all can see get out. I'm gonna set the tripod down so y'all could see me back in. This is not an educational video. I'm gonna say that again. This is just me driving my last 2 weeks of Warner. My last 2 weeks was supposed to be 2 weeks ago, but this is officially my last 2 weeks at Warner. And I'm starting my YouTube channel off, so that's what these vlogs are gonna be about. Y'all gonna come along my journey of me moving. 376. Yeah, I think that's a true. So y'all gonna come with me along my journey of moving and everything. Y'all just gonna come along with me. Y'all gonna watch me grow. That's simply what it's gonna be. Okay, so now take y'all out. When I get out, I got out. People probably be looking at me. So now I'm going to input the trip info. I'm going to go to compose, press number 2. 2 is for our system. I don't know for everybody else's system. And like I also say, this is not a fucking educational video. If y'all want educational videos, just let me know. And I can teach y'all. So I'm going to put in pickup trailer number, which is 376927. It's hot in here. Alright. We're going to go all the way down to the red. It's going to ask for weight. And actually, this is up on the drop trailer. This is up on the drop trailer, but it asks for weight. And I still go ahead and put the weight in. Weight is 5 measly fucking thousand. Let me stop cursing. Seal. The seal is on. Seal on here, so put that in. A lot of people make it easy because they just write the information on the front of it, and thank you for them, so I don't have to open the envelope. Yes, customer did sign. I can deliver on time. ETA 0919 by 0000. That is 12 o'clock tonight, 24 hours. So immediately after swap, yes, I want to load. So now that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and press send. Go ahead and clear my messages out. Split, it say right there, split load at Truck Plaza. And this blue message gonna say, you're under a CW load while on time, service is important, blase, blase, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna go back to my messages, make sure I'm up under the right trailer, 376-927, and I am. And that's that. So now we finna hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Let me go ahead and extend my tripod. Bye. This ain't gonna be on the whole way because the girl needs some music. But I'm gonna show y'all me leaving out of the yard. Hopefully I don't fall. And I want to eat my burger. It's man. hate about this shift. I drive at nighttime, and I really and honestly truly hate this shit. Like, I hate it. Like, I'm not sleeping right now because I done ate me some Burger King. I had the number 4 Bacon King, I believe. I think it's the number 4. Well, I just had the Bacon King. I wish I had the rodeo burger, the one with the onion rings without the barbecue sauce. So yeah, but we finna get ready to pull up, and y'all finna watch this truck. We finna get ready to pull up. I hate driving for Warner. Like, this is really entry level driving, and I feel like I'm beyond this. I feel like I'm better than this shit. Now I'm not even trying to be big headed. I just feel like, I don't know. I feel like they be playing me. The driving that they got me doing ain't for me. It don't look like the other truck though. Yeah, it don't look like the other truck though. This regulated, this truck stop. Like, if I have to use the bathroom, I'm going in. I'm show y'all how it is. I hate this truck stop. I'm just doing this to get by until I can get to my dreams and my goals, and hopefully one day I get to achieve all of that. So the other truck actually ain't here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you up. I don't wanna run over you. But I'm gonna park in this corner, so I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna go position you over here. I hope nobody come and take my phone, because this is the only phone I got. I'm gonna position it right here. That's it. the truck, the other driver who drive with me from Louisiana. Do my 16. Then I'm gonna bring y'all back outside so y'all can see me. Let's connect. I should have did this part first. I don't know why I didn't do this part first. turn around. I had to turn around. Wait. So yeah, you guys, I just want y'all to know that this is the life of a NetOps account, NetOps, however you say it, NetOps, a Warner, New York to Alabama account. This is the life of it. Bullshit. Boring. Pathetic. This is damn near every day unless they send me to Mississippi or unless they send me to Mississippi or Houston. My bad. Yeah, Mississippi or Houston. But this is the life. That's why this is gonna be the end of this video right here. I'm just gonna drive back to the yard, detach the trailer, do my 16, my macro 16, and them know I split. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all how to send in the paperwork for this. So that's gonna really be the end of the video, but it's gonna be the end of me talking. I might do a voiceover for that part. Just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all will have more videos coming in the future, better content. I'm gonna try to get better content, but just remember, join me on my journey of growing. You know, join me. I want y'all to be a part of what I'm doing, be a part of my journey, and it's gonna get better from here. It's gonna get better. I'm finally making it to what month this is? 9 months of Class A. I'm a 9-month Class A CDL holder coming from 3 years of Class B. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Come on this journey with Boss Lady D. See y'all later. I gotta turn.